Getting there.
You were telling me a story.
Uh-huh.
Tell a story.
And then there was 3 little pigs on the roof, coming on the roof.
Mhm.
We were taking a picture of that.
I'm not taking a picture. You were telling me a story. Go ahead.
And then there was all coffee cups. Showed there was a bambooma.
A what?
I'm like, a bambooma is not a great idea.
What is a bamboo?
Says, Birdie hanging out with all food. I'm like, you need to listen up, kid. I'm like, listen up, kid.
Don't show the story.
And
Did you just say you need to listen up, kid? Is that
No,
what you said?
listen up, kid.
Listen up, kid. Listen up, kid.
So,
Are you from
Jojo,
Yes.
and there was all makeup on the lips. I'm like, you better smile up, kid, because you know how to make the chub. Because
You know how to make a cheddar?
and then you go.